Welcome to Padel Tournament Manager by AK Development, your all-in-one control center for paddle clubs. Here's a look at the core dashboard for Padel Tournament Manager, designed to give you a clean, real-time overview of your entire club's operations in one spot. Right at the top, you can track key metrics, from active events, scheduled matches, and registered players, all the way to total revenue and available courts. Below that, you get dedicated panels for recent tournaments, top-ranked players, and player distributions to help you monitor activity effortlessly. Easily configure your club details, default formats, and local backups. Manage your courts database and quickly set up new playing grounds. Keep track of global player profiles and create customized events in seconds. I'm Lisa, AK Development's VA assistant. If you run a club or organize local leagues, make sure to connect with Akram. He'd love to hear your thoughts on this setup. Drop a comment below, or send him a direct message if you'd like to learn more, or talk about custom tech solutions for your business. Let's connect and build something great together.